Guys, welcome back. Today I will show the step-by-step process in Mandala Art. Let's start with priming. I am using gesso for priming and for base I am using MDF board. For a black base, you can use a chalk paint or acrylic color. If the MDF board you are using is pre-primed, you can completely skip the first step. So first, I am applying the primer gesso layer. Before applying the base layer, make sure primer layer is completely dry. And use a flat brush to reduce the brush strokes. Also, don't forget to apply the primer on the edges. For base, I am using acrylic color. You can also use chalk paint. Now we can mark the design. I have already uploaded a video on my channel on how to find the center for the circle. I'll be adding those links in the description. Do check out. For marking the divisions, I am using this isomers. I am planning to do a spiral design today. The rule is simple. If you are choosing 6 colors, take the double divisions. Here I am doing with 6 colors, so I am marking 12 divisions. Then draw the lines through those points and the center. For the design, I am using acrylic colors only. The brand is Fevicryl. This is the pastel color combo set from Fevicryl. The set consists of beautiful 6 pastel shades and it's very affordable. For highlighting, I'll be using this white acrylic color and these are the dotting tools I'll be using today. The tools and paints I am using is easily available on Amazon and Itsy website. These are basically white glass marking pencil, but I just used it to redraw those lines just for a better vision. While marking the distance between the circles, I started with 1 cm and kept on adding 0.5 cm for every next point. Follow the same process if your MDF board is bigger in size. Let's start with the design. So I'm starting with white color in the center. For multicolor mandala, mark those 6 points out of this 12. Once the first layer is done, then for the second layer, take the other 6 points. So we'll start with the first circle of dots. To cover up the space in between, I am using this white shade. For the second layer, I am adding the colors in the same order in the next 6 points. Keep increasing the size of every layer for a spiral look. For dot tracks, I am giving alternate white and that same color. You can keep doing the same process until you cover the complete base. For the last circle, there is some gap in between. To cover up, you can do some design like this. And for the top coat, I am using gloss varnish today. Before applying varnish, make sure your design is completely dry. After varnishing, this is the final look. I have done a similar design on a 14-inch board with different set of colors. I hope you guys like the tutorial video. For any queries, please comment below. Also, please subscribe for similar content. Thanks for watching.